Hi everyone, I am Nilesh J. Suryavanshi and I am going to talk about strategy today. If you have a goal on what you want, then you need a strategy to achieve it. And now the question is, what is a strategy? Strategy is a method or a plan chosen to achieve a goal. Strategy is what you need to do to win in your market. For a company, they should first define the vision of their organization, align it till individual employee of the organization. Strategy can be something like low cost and high volume products, or it can be something like high cost and high value product targeting only top rich people in the group. So now a question is, what you need to do to execute the strategy from top to the bottom. You need to identify the target customer, target geographies, do SWOT analysis. So SWOT analysis is nothing but strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats analysis. Once you create the strategy, you need to focus on that strategy and evaluate the strategy. So evaluation of strategy means you need to make sure that whatever strategy you are implementing, it's giving you the results. You need to see how it is getting implemented, what kind of results you are getting for that, and then do correct your approach to get better results of your strategy. And with this, I am closing my session here. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.